Oh, hi! Welcome to my channel. I'm hoping you will have fun watching this project. Enjoy! I started by measuring for the final length of the track. This was a fun project, a little bit daunting in the beginning because I was missing some tools, but I got them and I was able to finalize it. Uninstalling the tracks, cut them to size using a circ saw, but I don't recommend this method because it's not very safe and the quality of the cut isn't great. I got a second set of tracks, brand new. The original set was a little damaged. Using the miter saw is a more safer method to cut the tracks to size, and the quality of the cut is just better. When using power tools, just wear protecting gear. Save your eyes, ears, hands, and everything. Be safe. Off camera, I made this template from the leftover tracks from my previous cut. With my circ saw, I cut off that piece to match the original design of the track. You need to go very slow to avoid any kickback or injuries. Using the oscillating sander, I clean the cut. The idea of starting this project clicked when I was trying to find a cheaper solution for my bed cover, and I was watching a video from Flubber Dupin YouTube channel. I will link that video in my video description. Awesome guy, and if you need to watch how to modify your 2024 Ford Ranger, he's your man. Highly recommend. I was marking all the holes for the locking mechanism and the plastic spacers. Using a 7/16 drill bit, I drilled the holes for the plastic spacers. After that, cleaning all the shavings. Next time, I will definitely use a tar to collect all the shavings. You should do the same. Using a half-inch tap, I remade the threads. It was fun using for the first time a tap. I can highly recommend it. You'll see how easy the plastic spacers will screw in the new thread. And one more step closer to the final assembly for the now shortest 5 feet long track. The locking screw going to the right spot, the plastic spacers, the gasket which was removed from the track prior cutting. Using a 6mm thread, I threaded a new thread. I know thread, threaded, thread again. It's just too much thread. And for a non-native English speaker, practicing the TH sound is always very welcome. Thank you for that, English. And now we are even closer to the final track assembly. Reinserting the gasket, waterproofing membrane, the aluminum end piece, and the rubber end piece. Using a T25 Torx, I screwed the end screw to lock the end cap. And now we have a 5 feet functional thread. At the end, you'll see a safer method to cut the aluminum brackets. I highly recommend it. I hope you've enjoyed the project. You can help me by liking, subscribing, and sharing. Until the next time, you can do it. Thank you.